Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best trailer hitches that you should buy. Let's get started. First up is the CURT 13323 Class 3 Trailer Hitch. CURT does a good job of creating custom-fit, vehicle-specific hitch solutions for a wide variety of modern vehicles. The company's Class 3 hitches are no different in offering several bolt pattern designs that line up with pre-existing holes in a vehicle's underside frame. With a 5,000 pounds TWGTW of weight capacity, this hitch can also handle a number of trailers and hitch-mounted accessories. Overall, the hitch is quite capable in its design. With steel construction, the hitch does a good job of resisting too much flex and give that can damage the frame over time. Next up is the Reese Towpower Class 3 Hitch. The Reese Towpower Class 3 hitch sits on the upper end of heavy-duty hitches, making out the weight capacity without venturing into the territory of commercial hitches. With 550,000 pounds TWGTW of capacity, the hitch offers a higher weight capacity than most options in the Class 3 category. As an added bonus, the hitch also sports a sleeker design that sheds extra bulk, making it easier to install on some vehicles. While the mounting design differs slightly between tow vehicles, the overall design and construction of the hitch itself are almost identical between the different vehicle models. Third in line is the APS Assembly Class 3 Trailer Hitch. The Class 3 trailer hitch from APS Assembly is designed for 2003 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 pickup trucks as well as 2003 to 2013 Dodge Ram 2500 and 3000 pickup trucks. 1500 pickup trucks as well as 2003 to 2013 Dodge Ram 2500 and 3500 pickup trucks. It features a 2-inch receiver tube and is made of heavy-duty carbon steel that's powder-coated in glossy black. The hitch features easy bolt-on installation and does not require any drilling or special tools. The hitch has a gross trailer weight of 6,000 pounds, a tongue weight of 600 pounds, and a weight distribution capacity of 10,000 pounds. Fourth on the list is the Draw-Tite 75547 Max Frame. This Draw-Tite Class 3 receiver hitch features a 2-inch square receiver tube and is compatible with a variety of trucks, vans, and SUVs. The device is custom built using computer-aided design (CAD) to match your vehicle's model for optimum fit and towing performance. It's rated up to 8,000 pounds and has a gross trailer weight of up to 12,000 pounds. The hitch is designed to blend in seamlessly with your vehicle's appearance. Last but not least is the Reese Towpower 51141. This Reese Towpower Class 3 hitch has an all-welded construction and is strong and safe to use. It also meets and exceeds V5, CSA, and SAE J684 standards and features an anti-corrosive metal shield protective coating that provides better protection than hitches that have only a powder coating. The hitch has a 500-pound tongue weight and gross towing weight of 5,000 pounds. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.